Yo, what's up mga engkanto? It's your boy, A-Tech Rip and Sita to Studio. And for today's project, meron tayong full sleeve Japanese tattoo. Pero cover up yung cover part. And dalawang session natin to ginawa. First session is lining in black and gray wash. And then second session is colored. Pero pinagsama ko na lang sila sa iisang video. Bali, katulad nung last time, pinag-customize natin si Sir ng design ng braso niya since gusto niya makita muna yung outcome before siya makakipag-deal, and in-approve niya naman yung outcome nung edit natin. Kaya wala nang intro, binira na agad natin. For the whole piece, inabot kami ng 15 hours, 7 hours per session, 8 hours second session. And outer part lang muna ginawa namin para for sleeve na agad siya tignan. Yung inner part, next session na lang for third session. Flash na agad sa screen ng finished project. And big shoutout kay Sir Bong dahil sa atin niya binigay itong project na to. And it's your boy A-Tech Rip and Sita to Studio. Peace out.